So let's talk a little bit about cleaning codes so that you know what they mean when you see them. Just like your clothing has a labeling system, fabric upholstery does as well, and it will indicate what type of cleaner you should use for your specific fabric. There are 4 main cleaning codes for upholstery fabric, and they're labeled W, S, SW, and X. So what do those mean? W means using a water-based cleaning agent or foam. We do recommend, however, you use distilled water rather than tap water because you never know what types of minerals might be in your tap water. S means to use specifically a water-free cleaning solvent. Do not use water on this product because it may cause shrinking or rings, and dry cleaning is not recommended. SW is a combination of both S and W. You can use water-based cleaners or water-free solvents. Again, we recommend you do not use tap water based on the fact that some minerals in your tap water may cause rings or discoloration. X means you do not use water-based or solvent cleaners. The best way to clean these types of upholstery are to vacuum or brush with a non-metallic brush. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos and want to see more, please click to subscribe. And if you have any questions about fabric upholstery maintenance, please comment below.